Hello everybody, today we will do this split and stretching back leg, hamster leg and, and stretching with me. So stay with me if you want to see which elements help you to stretch your splits for this. So, what we're starting to do, we will take it from the back leg and standing. Take our hands on the block and starting to pushing down with breathe out. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Relax and stay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. And we will now starting to slide for our split slowly. So what's important in our split? We will not sit like that. Our leg must be not like this, must be strong in one line and be careful. So after that we will get sit and starting working with the back leg. We're starting slowly open it up. If our leg look like this, that our hips not right, okay? We will move our hips in right side and our leg must looking up. So 2, 3, 4 and 5 and try to take our back leg and pushing some more. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. We will stretch this leg and starting to push it down. So remember without and remember that your breath must right and you not forget breathe. So we will take breath out and go down and take breath and stand up. So 2, 3, 4 and 5. Relax. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From this position you can try to take your leg and pushing some more. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. Slowly up. And now we will try to do with the back. So I will take my hands on the back and try stretch and take my leg up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So amazing work. After that I will come back my left leg, take my breath and slowly breathe out and relax, go down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope that you liked it. Follow me, take 3 likes, subscribe and write me in the comments which elements you want that I will show you in my next video. So bye bye.